Alright, so today's movement is the kettlebell curl and press. Now, if we're using a kettlebell here, we're going to have two hands onto the sides, the horns, and I actually like keeping my thumbs right here pressed up against the handle. It makes it a little easier when we're pressing the kettlebell upwards. So again, let me zoom in real quick. Two hands on the handle, fingers wrapped around the horns. So this is going to be a combination of two movements, a curl and a press. So first movement, a curl, bicep curl. We're going to bring the kettlebell up to our chest, nice and controlled. Limit the movement up here. We're hinging from the elbow. So up, you should feel your biceps nice and engaged. Second movement is going to be a press. So up to the chest and press up into the sky. So again, with presses, we're going to try to keep the knees as straight as possible, as little engagement from the lower body as possible. However, towards the end reps, if your arms are starting to fatigue a little bit, it's okay to drop the hips and go into a slight push press. So the movement should look like this. Curl up to the chest, press up to the ceiling. Curl up to the chest, press up to the ceiling. And that is our kettlebell curl and press.